Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Rosemary, and in this video I will be showing you how to achieve this beautiful hairstyle using yarn and hair extensions. Please give me a thumbs up, comment and also subscribe if you haven't. I will be using braiding hair or fiber, yarn, shine and gem and bobby pins. I will start by dividing the hair into two and then go ahead to section the hair in the front side further to prepare for the crisscross pattern. So the important thing to note in the front is that while I'm busy sectioning, I'll have to make sure that the blocks are almost equal so that the crisscross pattern can be perfect. As you can see, I went ahead and braided the first two sections using the African threading method. I will then separate the hair into two on the next block, then braid the hair across. To continue braiding, I will still use the African threading method and I will tie when the braided part can reach the next block or section. Please see how I measure. I will then continue using the same method. Please continue watching to see more details. So on the front side, I divided the braiding hair into two to reduce the volume of the fiber, and I used bobby pins to secure. Alternatively, you can use yarn and needle to sew in to secure so that the hairstyle can last. I would like to hear what you think about the hairstyle and where or what occasion would you do this hairstyle. So I think it will be better or the best to do this hairstyle for a night out or any other formal outing or a wedding. So do comment and let me know what you think, or rather, where would you wear this hairstyle? The suggestions will help me and other sisters who would want to try this hairstyle in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up by liking, comment, and also share if you can, and I will see you on the next one.